Introducing ZEROD, a performance jacket with a trench coat look that makes you feel good while looking good even in severe weather. Featuring PFC-free coating and a waterproof membrane, ZEROD can keep you dry for over an hour in heavy rain. Besides the standard layers of a soft-shelled membrane and polypolar fleece, we also designed ZEROD with another 2.5 performance layer featuring the latest graphene membrane technology, making the whole jacket ultra heat retaining, anti-static, antibacteria, and anti-odor. Multiple and spacious pockets. Yes, we definitely love those. The removable hood adds extra protection during bad weather and can then be taken off easily to transform ZEROD into a trench coat. ZEROD comes with a detachable inner jacket featuring Thermolite synthetic down, which is made from recycled plastic, is 100% animal-free, and completely eco-friendly. It's warmer and has superior moisture resistance compared to the regular down. PFC-free coating and a waterproof membrane are also applied to the inner jacket. With a seam-taped design, the inner jacket is 100% waterproof and windproof as well. ZEROD comes in 2 colors. It fits perfectly with both business and casual looks and can be worn in the spring, fall, and winter.